Good morning, students. Once again, welcome in DSS online classes after a very long gap. This is C. Yadav, and today we are going to start a new chapter of civics. The title of this chapter is Electoral Politics. And today, just we are going to discuss about the introduction of this chapter. As you know, we are living in a democratic country. India is a democratic country. भारत एक प्रजातांत्रिक देश है. In democracy, elections are very important, and having voting right for election is very important right for the citizen of the country. First, why elections are necessary? Why elections are taking place in the country? First of all, we have to discuss about this mini point, why elections are taking place in the country. While elections need a lot of money, which increase the tax burden on the citizen of the country, once elections are held and the government has been made, after that, on the every interval, elections are regularly held in the country, and it requires a lot of money. Definitely, somebody thinks why this process applied in the country again and again while it requires a lot of money. This is very critical things which we have to consider. Suppose the elections are not held regularly on the every interval of time, then what will happen in the country? The ruler of the country will become boundless. देश का जो शासक होगा वह बाउंडलेस हो जाएगा, वह निरंकुश हो जाएगा, क्योंकि उसे अगले इलेक्शन का डर नहीं होगा. और इस तरह से by this way the rights of the citizen will be exploited by the government, by the ruler of the country. And also we will study next in this chapter what makes an election democratic. चूँकि प्रजातांत्रिक देश में जब चुनाव होता है तो कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं, कौन सी ऐसी प्रक्रियाएं हैं, कौन से ऐसे प्रोसेसेस हैं जिसके माध्यम से इलेक्शंस को डेमोक्रेटिक बनाया जाए, प्रजातांत्रिक बनाया जाए, जो फेयर इलेक्शन हो सके, साफ सुथरा चुनाव देश में कराया जा सके. एंड ऑल्सो वी विल स्टडी इज इट गुड to have a political competition. क्या राजनीतिक प्रतियोगिता होना अच्छी बात है? And ahead system of election in our country, by which election system the elections are held in the country, we will also study about this process. In our country, elections are held फॉर पार्लियामेंट, जिसको संसद कहते हैं, और हम जानते हैं कि एमपी के लिए जो चुनाव होता है, मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, जिसको हिंदी में सांसद कहते हैं. इसके बाद आपको पता है कि एमएलए, मेंबर ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली के लिए इलेक्शंस होते हैं. इन दोनों तरह के इलेक्शंस में द पीपल पार्टिसिपेट डायरेक्टली लोग इसमें अपने मतों का प्रयोग करते हैं और अपना रिप्रेजेंटेटिव चुनते हैं. जबकि कुछ इस तरह के भी इलेक्शंस हमारे देश में होते हैं जिसमें द पीपल कैन नॉट पार्टिसिपेट डायरेक्टली, बट इन दैट टाइप ऑफ इलेक्शंस वी पार्टिसिपेट इनडायरेक्टली. दैट मीन्स द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हु आर इलेक्टेड बाय अस, दे इलेक्ट somebody. So this type of election is a election in which the people do not participate directly, like the member of Rajya Sabha and the member of Legislative Council. They are not directly elected by the people, but they are elected by those people who are elected by the people. And such type of mini headings we will study in this chapter. A lot of headings, a lot of topics are there in this chapter. We will study, by which we can know the actual process of election in our country. Thank you. We will meet in next video.